Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. Now we will see lists in this page. Python's list is a very important and useful element. A list is a collection and which is ordered and can changeable. In Python, a list are written with the square brackets like this one, s equal left square 1, 2, 3 and right square, and this will be s is a numbered elements list, or you can see y equals left square bracket apple ball circle and right square brackets. And because apple ball and circle are strings, so y will be a list with string elements. And if you want to access list items, and you can use the index number, and the index number starts from 0. Like you can use s index 0 and it will show 1, or y with index 2 and it will show a circle because 0, 1, 2. So the index 2 presents circle. And we can see the example here. This one. This example is same as the slide shows. You can see s equal 1, 2, 3 and y apple ball circle, and you print s, it will show the list here, and you print y, it will show the list here. And if you want to pick one element in the list, you can use print some index here, like this sample s with index 0, and then it will print 1, because the index starts from 0, and y with index 2, it will show circle. Okay. And more example follows. If you want to pick a range of a list, like this list, apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango, and you want to pick the index from 2 to 4, and you can use 2, 5, because in Python the end symbol will be the -1 will be the end since you want, and that means if you type 5 here, and that means the Python will pick up the index 4 for your end elements. So you can see this apple is index 0, 1, 2. So your first pick item is cherry. So you can see the output is cherry, and then 3 orange, and 4 kiwi, and then the index is 5, and it will compare this end symbol, and it say, oh, it is the end, so Python will not pick up index 5 melon to output. So if you want to pick a range, you can write a start number here, and command and the end, and the end number here, and it will choose cherry index 2, orange index 3, kiwi index 4 here. And if you don't write the start number or write the end number, it will from 0 to the number or from the number to the end. And that means the same example, you want to choose this list, you type nothing, command 4, and the Python will pick up the elements from apple, 0, banana index 1, cherry index 2, orange index 3, and then index 4 is Kaiwa, and it will compare. Oh, this is the end number, so the Python will not choose Kaiwa here. And if you want to pick from some element to the end, you can use this number command and nothing, and it will pick up from the index 2, cherry here, cherry, orange, Kaiwa, melon, and mango to the end. And these 3 are for the range. Okay. And then there are a lot of list operator here. For example, if you want to change some element in your list, you can use equal. For example, this list, apple, banana, cherry, and you print the list, you will see apple, banana, cherry, and then you want to change banana to black currant, you can use this one. That means you want to pick banana, you can write this list with index 1, and then you want to change banana to black currant, and then you just write equal and then the new name. So you can see the output will be apple, blackcurrant, cherry. If you want to change one element in your list, you can use this method, equal. And if you want to calculate the length of list, you can use length, LEN, length, and then the list name. So like this list, apple, banana, cherry, there are 3 elements here, so you can use print length this list, and it will check how many elements in this list, and it will output 3. And if you want to add some items after the end of list, you can use append, like this example, this list, apple, banana, cherry, and use append orange, and orange will append to the end of list. Okay. Append is append the item to the end of list. If you want to insert some item or element to the list, you can use insert, and the insert way will be the index and then your themes. So you can see this example, this list dot insert and then index and then the item, and you can see that the orange will be inserted to the index 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So orange will be here, and others will move to the next index. Like banana is 1 to 2, and cherry will be the index 3. Okay. If you want to remove the element you can use remove and the element's name. For example, apple, banana, cherry in the list. You want to remove banana, you can use this list dot remove banana, and then the banana will be removed from the list like this: apple, cherry, apple, cherry. These are the common use commands in the list, and there are some comments in this tool. You can see the reference website or use the search engine to search Python list comments. And this is the Python's list introduced, and then we will see the dictionary. The dictionary are also important to Python because it will be used in pandas package or in some series list. So we have to know what is the dictionary. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered and changeable and indexed, and it uses the curly brackets, and it have keys and values, and you can see this is a dictionary. So you want to check something, you have used some keywords and then see what it means. So in Python, dictionary is also have a keys and values, and we see the example first. This is the dictionary. You use a variable and equal and list brackets left and right, and then you can insert any kind of elements here. The left side will be the key, like the bread, and the value float. And between of key and the value, you need to use a comma. So in this dictionary, you will have 3 elements here: bread, float, model, master, year 1964. So you print this dictionary, you will get the 3 items: 1 common, and 2 common, and 3. If you only want to print 1 element in your dictionary, or you want to search the value for the 1 key, you can use this one. You can use the dictionary's variable name and the bracket and the key here. Like I want to find the model, I just write this and print it. It will tell me the master. And another way to get the value, you can use get. This dictionary dot get and put the key name here, and you will get the same output. The difference between this way and the get way, you can use the search engine to search. And if you want to change the values in your dictionary, you can use equal, same as list, like this example. This dictionary, I want to change the year's value, so I use this dictionary and year equal 2020, and then you can see the year are changed from 1964 to 2020. Okay, and this is the introduced to dictionary. And next, we will see the selection statement in Python, and this is usually used statement that is if, else, and this means you have a condition 1, you want to do something if the condition 1 is true, so you can write this if condition 1 comma, and the next line will have some space and do something. And if you have a lot of things to do, you just type another after doing something, like doing something 2, doing something 3, and these all have need the space to present this kind of code are followed the if. For example, if it is raining, I will bring umbrella. So you can write the condition here. If it is raining, I will bring umbrella. Okay. And this statement says only raining I will bring umbrella, but it cannot present if it is shining I will bring umbrella or not, because you have only one condition. And you have something to do, you can write this. If condition 1 is true, I will do this thing, and else, that means the condition is false, I will do another thing. We use raining for example. If it is raining, I will bring umbrella. Else, I don't bring an umbrella. That means if the day is shining, I will not bring an umbrella because the condition is false. So I will do this thing. And if you have a lot of conditions, you can use if, else if, and its short is ELIF, and the else if, and the else if, and the last one will be the else. And you can see that if condition 1 do something, and else if condition 2 do something 2, and else do something 3. Okay, and we see the example in our platform. A equals 33, B equals 200, and then if B is larger than A, then print B is greater than A, this sentence. So you can see that this condition is B larger than A, and this is true, so it will print this sentence. And next, if and else, if A equals 200, B is 33, so you can see that this condition is false, so the output will be this one. So you can see that if the condition is true, it will show this one, and the not true will show this one. And this is the same thing. A is 200, B is 33, and if you can see if this condition is true, no, so it will check the next. Yes, this condition is true, no, so it will do this thing. And if your condition are need combination, you can use and, or not. This simple to combine a lot of condition. For example, you can see this A 200, B 33, C 500, and you want to set the condition like is A is greater than B and C is greater than A. You can use and both conditions are true. The Python will execute this line. Otherwise, it will do nothing here. Okay, you can see that if A is greater than B, yes, because A is 200 and B is 33, and then is C greater than A? Yes, because C is 500, A is 200. So we will print this sentence. Or you can use or. At least one is true, and all condition will be true. Like this one. A is greater than B is true because A 200, B 33. And this one is false because A is smaller than C. So only this kind of condition is true. But if you use or, at least one condition is true, it will enter this one, and you will see at least one of condition is true. Okay, and this is the important statement and the call in Python. We will use a lot if else to do something with some conditions. Okay, and then we have a practice time. Please write a program with two number variables, and if a number is odd, the programmer will output n, and otherwise that means the number is even, the program will output y. For example, s equal 1, y equal 1, and you will get nn because 1 is odd, and then 1 2 you will get ny, and 2 1 you will get yn, and s 2 y2 you will get yy. Okay, this is the example to explain the things we want to do. And then the question is, what are the results when s equals 103 and y equals 29,802? What will you get? And next, s equals 378 and y equal 872, and what will you get? And after practice, we will see the answers here. Hope you like this course. Thank you.